Hello, this is Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena, owner, founder, and developer of Sollite for healing and conscious awakening. Sollite Integrative Medicine offers private sessions and programs, training programs. For more details and information on either sessions or training programs, log on to www.sollite.com. Today's topic is specifically on healing and conscious awakening, which is Sollite's mission. Let me take time to pull up a graphic for you. And we'll continue. Every sickness comes from the feeling of separation. A healer is someone who accompanies another person and supports them in their healing process so that they can relinquish these illusions of separation. Healing doesn't mean to fix or make something go away. In reality, hardships are part of life. We are all responsible for our healing ourselves. The journey going through this process is definitely uncomfortable at times. And know and realize the energies get heaviest, more difficult, before they actually release. The gifts that come from illness. Disease comes into the body to get our attention. It forces us to reevaluate, to ask for help, and to surrender more deeply than ever before. Remember, we have free will to choose faith over fear, while learning the lessons we came here for. Reflection time for healing and awakening to our life's purpose is another gift, as well as creativity appears in full force as we learn to develop new skills and adapt. Healing means to make whole again. These are the keys to wholeness. Surrender helps us accept what we cannot change. Patience, empathy, compassion, when hardships last longer than we actually want or like. Forgiveness means forgiving yourself as well as others. Gratitude brings growth and lets us look back with thanks for what we learned when the journey of life was anything but comfortable and easy for us. Remember that on a spiritual level, We adhere to the philosophy that everything happens for a reason and that all things work together for our highest good. Be ready to die at every instant to the illusion of separation, so that in order you can be reborn and evolve in your awakening and consciousness. For indeed, the whole universe serves to help you on your own unique path. When you dig deep enough, you discover you are connected to the entire universe and its magic. I thank you very much for taking the time today to listen to this broadcast. If you're interested for more written, scientific, and medical researched information, comment below on this social media venue, and I will make certain that you will receive that information. Also, please check out my YouTube channel and my Facebook business page at Sollite and Thusa Helena. There is lots of free educational, informational information, videos, podcast interviews on hope and inspiration, an emotional video series, and a self-care video series, all free for your viewing at the YouTube channel, Soulite and Thusa Helena. I wish you all the best of everything in your life's journey. Stay safe and well. Many blessings from my heart to yours in deepest gratitude. Thank you.